Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and...
Hi, I'm Jodie.
Jodie's staying with me for the weekend, so we've got a few videos that we're going to upload together. And this one, we're swapping makeup bags or box. So basically, I'm giving Jodie some products that I want her to use, and she's giving me products that she wants me to use. So yeah, this is going to be fun. And we don't know whose channel this is going on at the moment. I don't. No, we don't, do we?
We haven't figured that out yet.
But make sure you go into the description box and sub to both of us, whoever's channel this is on. But yeah, let's swap. Let's swap. This is gonna be fun.
Oh god, I'm scared.
She's given me this thing.
She's never used it. If you're from like
fucking battery.
Oh my.
Alright, we're gonna start.
Are you doing eyes or face first?
I always do eyes first.
Same.
Oh, we've done our eyebrows already.
Yeah, because I wasn't prepared to swap eyebrows.
I got this one. Hopefully it shows you. Bloody P. Louise base. I hate this stuff. Absolutely hate it.
I love it. Lizzie has given me Beauty Bay.
It's favourite.
I've never tried it, but I've wanted to, so I'm quite happy about that.
Yeah, you better fucking like it.
Do one eye at a time. That's what I do.
But I do have a P. Louise lip base video coming because I like those. Oh, it's actually the perfect colour.
That shade too. So, for eyeshadow, Lizzie gave me the Mandalorian palette from Colourpop, which I have done a video on this before, but I've been instructed I have to use greens, so...
And that's my favourite green. Okay, I'm using Be Perfect XL Pro.
I'm so excited.
I'm not.
I am. You can do whatever you want with it.
Oh, okay.
But you can't use the browns. Because I never use the browns from that palette.
Definition of bitch in the dictionary right now, okay?
But not use the browns. So you can use all of this, but not this row. Or that row.
Okay, I can work with that.
And it has to be a bright look, because if you come out with a neutral look, I will slap you.
I could as well. I can make anything neutral.
No.
I'm like going for all the reds and pinks.
I'll let you off. I was going to make her do a blue, purple, green look like what I would do, but I'll let her off because it's already a hardship that she's got to use the palette. Okay,
alright, let's do this.
It's really dry, that.
What?
The eye base.
That's what everyone says, but I think I've got oily lids.
That's probably why P. Louise creases more on you. But I go darkest to lightest first, so.
I usually do, but I'm scared I'll fuck it up.
Nah, I say go in with...
Persuasion.
Yeah.
This one here.
I've gone in with Floaty Crib, which is the dark green. Do I do a spotlight eye? I never do a spotlight eye.
Go on then. I never do one either, but I'm shit at it. This is actually my palette as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
I didn't bring mine with me. I didn't bring any eyeshadow palettes with me. I'm going to go in with Babyface, which is like the middle green colour. Let's
go in with... In Lust.
Wait, did you end up putting eye base on both eyes?
Yeah.
Oh, I was going to say. Yeah.
In Lust. This one here.
I'm more scared for the foundation.
Oh, that's going to be fun.
Because we are definitely not the same skin colour.
Are you sure?
With the foundations you buy.
Sometimes I go even too dark for myself.
It will be interesting, guys. What colour do you want me? What shimmer?
Shimmer.
Did you want the green or did you want a different one?
That one.
Okay. That looks blended, doesn't it?
Yeah. You do it so fast.
I've got quicker, I've noticed that.
I take forever, that's why I stop the camera sometimes.
I mean, you can stop it now if you want.
There, you found it.
Found the button.
Let's just hope the beginning is recorded.
Right, I'm going in with the shade Right Hand Mando.
Right Hand Mando.
Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty.
Yeah, that's a nice shade. I'm quite blind on my right eye, so when I do my left, I go all over the place.
Yeah, I struggle to do my left eye.
And this one looks nice because I can see out of that eye when I'm doing it.
Oh yeah, we're using our own brushes as well, just in case you wondered. See, I'd go back in with a little bit of that one just to make it a bit darker on the outside. But that's me.
No, I'll do that after. I'm just thinking what to blend out the next shade with.
Where are you blending? Above?
Just there, yeah.
Maybe Foolish?
Yeah, because I was foolish to choose this.
You didn't choose it, I did.
Yeah, you're foolish then. Where's Foolish gone? Fucking hell.
Football.
Foolish.
I bet you that's football.
Yeah, it's the only reason he's awake at this time. I've done a really Lizzie look.
I should have made you do mine up, but I'll let you off because you were sad. About having to use it. I like this eye base. It's not as good as no. It's done a good job actually.
I think it just works with my eyelids because everyone says it is drying.
I think it's because you've got oily eyelids, you know.
Alright, let's go back in with a bit of Persuasion. There's a song that says something Persuasion. It's a Janet Jackson song. Shimmer. I'm going to mix Fortune and this Icy Highlight.
You didn't use something you were meant to use in the box. Cut crease canvas, black canvas.
Ah, fuck. There's always something, isn't there?
Yeah, that's why.
I'm far gone now.
That's fine, but that's why I never feel the need to use anything wet.
Oh, whereas with that I find it too wet sometimes. A bit soggy.
No, yeah, no.
Took you a couple of seconds there, eh?
I'm a bit slow sometimes.
Oh, that showed it.
They look alright, doesn't they?
Yeah. Eyes are complete, so
Primer time.
which you've got.
Lizzie gave me the H2O Hydrate Primer.
I love it. I love that primer. You gave me 2, didn't you?
Yeah, I always use 2.
Where's the second one? Oh, there it is.
Purple one.
So I've got Professional for my nose, which back in the day I used to do that because I saw a video where it makes your makeup last longer in your nose. I don't like it though. And then I've got the Unicorn Barry M Primer Drops, which I know I love.
But I put it across my nose and like a bit under my eyes and then on my chin.
Alright, I'll do that then.
Oh, it smells nice.
Yeah, it smells like cherries. No, but you're doing it hydration Lizzie style. I'm so glad I get to use something hydrating though.
Yeah, no, I'm not a matte skin kind of person. I don't like that. Although the Morphe foundation, spoiler, that I gave you is a bit mattifying, so.
Oh, let's add a bit more of this on then.
Yeah. My face feels dry. I don't know why.
Oh, that's weird. Add some more.
I've got no concealer, have I? Okay. Lizzie's given me L'Oreal True Match in 2.D/2.W Golden Almond.
Because I'm a golden girl.
Yeah, I use 1.2
Oh my god.
normally.
But
So-
it's very good when you use the powder that you're going to use. Okay, and I'm using, fucking hell, Morphe in 1.70 and it's matte.
I've really been liking it though.
I'm just not a matte person.
I'm not normally a matte person, but I just really
Oh, that's a nice shade though.
Yeah.
It's got like a yellow undertone.
Oh, it's not too much.
No, I think this might work for me, you know. Oh my god.
Safe to say that this is not my skin colour.
I thought this was going to match me a little bit.
It looked like it was at first and then...
Oh.
And I have no concealer.
Because I don't use concealer. I'm getting old and you can see all my lines. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in Fair Warm. Okay, how do you want me to use the concealer?
I normally just put it under my eyes, along my nose, on my cupid's bow and on my chin.
So everywhere. Do you do like the whole triangle thing?
No.
Just like a dot and dot?
I just do like a swipe.
Okay.
Oh, this is horrible.
You're telling me?
Right, I'm using Rimmel Stay Matte. That's not going to help you either. It's not going to save you at all.
No. I'm bronzing my whole
Do you put it
skin.
everywhere?
Yeah. I even bring it down my neck. Have you got a bigger brush?
No, I didn't bring one.
Do you want one?
I don't really use big brushes for powder.
What?
I don't normally powder.
What?
Well, I do sometimes. I normally just... You're going to hate me. I only powder under my eyes.
What? Well, actually, with how dry this is, you won't need to powder. I don't even think I want to put my Stay Matte on.
Well, you've got to.
Okay, this might save the day, guys, because we've got the bronzer in Shady Bitches. Business. And then we've got the Super Dewy Rev Blush in Flushing For You. So, okay, let's do this.
And I don't have liquid because it's not what Liz uses.
Not really, no.
I've got the Revolution Pro Bronzer.
Only if I'm feeling bougie.
Bougie. And for blush, I've got the Relove Duo Blush.
You know what, fuck it, I'm going in with a heavy hand. I'm putting loads on.
She's going to try and save herself.
Well, save me.
Yeah, I feel like with that bronzer, it needs to be like done quite quickly.
Yeah. This is why I'm going in like section by section.
That's what I do. I like that blush.
The Flushing For You.
Setting spray, which Liz loves. I didn't give her a setting spray, or a fixing spray.
I might actually use that to save me. Right. My whole forehead is bronzed. I cheated.
I'm well excited. Colourpop in Wisp, which is Liz's fave. How do you use it?
Oh, just a brush actually.
With a brush?
You can use it with a beauty blender, which I do, and put it on like high points of your face, but it works with a brush. But because your base is quite dry, you might need to buff it in with a brush after. What do you call it?
A sponge.
Yeah. Yeah, you've got a cast though.
Oh, I've got a sponge. We're just going with it at this point. It looks awful as it is. I don't know why that foundation never normally goes that bad on me.
It's because of the base that you're given.
Yeah, that base apparently did not like me.
I'm going to spend the longest time on bronzer until I feel a bit more me.
I'm going to spend the longest time taking this off.
What are we thinking? We're getting there. Not too bad.
Right, I want to wait for Liz, so we'll be back when she's finished bronzing her face. We took a little bit of time off while Lizzie decided she wanted to bronze the whole of her moon head.
And I did the blush in the end. I put the blush on. I'm not sure. I don't think I should powder. Because I'm going to put a powder blush on now.
Yeah, I wouldn't powder. I don't powder over it.
Do I have to use this as well?
Yeah. It's bronzer?
I haven't finished bronzing then.
Well, no, but you finished liquid bronzing.
Okay, so I'm using the Revolution Glow Bronzer in Fair, which, to be fair, isn't that fair. And the blush I'm using, which I'm actually excited for, is Ballerina, which is one of the Revolution Reloaded ones.
It's one of my favourites.
And then...
I'm already done, mate. I'm waiting for you.
We'll be back again. I've only got highlighter, which is Josh Cosmetics Cream, and I feel like it's something that I would reach for. Yeah, it's a little bit, on me it could sometimes look a bit too dark, but it is beautiful. Woo! Oh yeah, it's very intense. I went in with this and just used the same dark green that I went in with first under my eyes, and we used our own mascaras just because that kind of thing we're not about that. So I used Benefit Bad Girl Bang, which I really need a new one of, but it's expensive. And I got it in a Christmas set in the sales. For lips, Liz has got to choose what one. She's got two options for me. I've said to her that depending on how the eye look goes, I'm thinking either a red or a dark brow with a nude. And classic me would go for a red with a green eye. Really? Yeah. But then I also want to see you with a dark lip and a nude, like a me and loose combo. Go for me and loose combo. Okay. So I've got P. Louise Standards lip liner. I love P. Louise lip liners. And P. Louise in Solo Nude, which I love her lip bases, so I'm a happy girl. And then for me, she's chosen our little Jodie over here. This is a very Jodie, like, it's not too, the lip liner's not too dark. It's not too dark, but it's a brown. So we've got MUA Sincere, which I actually nearly chose for Jodie. And then we've got Doll Beauty Come to Mama, which is a nice little light nude. Ah, I forgot how creamy these are. Yeah, it's not that dark. I usually go for a darker brown. That is it. I love it. I've overlined my lips a bit too much. Oh, it suits you. I don't know. See, for this lip, I would have gone for more of like a darker pink lip liner with this kind of brown in the centre. Yeah. Because it's kind of like it just matches. We're done. Oh, I can tell you what I put under my eyes. I put Boy Bite is on under my lash lines, and then Fair Play Highlighter is my inner corner highlight. And that is everything. Hold on. You look more me.
Do you think?
Yeah, the lip liner, the eyes is Spotlight, but I would have done like this kind of effect. But that is definitely a me look. I actually like it. The lips is a bit too, I need something darker around. But I don't like how pale I look like here and like here. I tried to bronze everywhere, but it went through. And I've got concealer and I never wear concealer like ever, and I can feel like the lines in my eyes. But other than that, I actually like most products.
Yeah, I didn't like the primer.
Yeah,
I might blame the sponge.
the Professional is looking nice on my nose, but I don't know, something about my base. I think it was a foundation that went quite dry on me. But
these are finished looks.
My lips are so dry.
I should have picked a gloss. I do normally wear a gloss sometimes.
Let us know what you think down below. Yeah, this is just...
I just want to get it off.
We will catch you in the next one. Bye.